Oh shit. Here we go again.
Oh shit, that's right. Today I'm showing you how to be the laziest you could possibly fucking be, you fucking slug. And maybe get some views on YouTube. This is how I did it. Step 1. Step 1 is to get your script. But you're too fucking lazy to be creative and think of one. So we use fucking AI. And not even ChatGPT shit. Straight to new Snapchat AI bestie, bro. The best fucking thing Snapchat has done. It's that fucking simple. Step 2 of this genius plan is to take your script and chuck it into one of those, what are they called? Text-to-speech things, and just OBS record it. So you don't even have to pay for it, you just straight take it. So not only does the creativity get taken away, you don't even have to speak. It's that simple. Step 3. Step 3 is an easy step. All you gotta do is go to fucking YouTube and then go to that little music thing YouTube has and just steal a calm, relaxed music thing. So it's just like some calm music playing in the background. Ooh, step 4. Only a couple more, then you can be done. And step 4 is actually the fucking easiest. All you do, go to Google, save some photos of the shit you're talking about, what your script says, and that's it. And finally, last step, step 5. Now this is the easy part. Now you got all this shit for the video, just go onto your editing software. Personally, I like DaVinci Resolve because it's free. Anyway, just chuck it in, just line it all up so the segments look correct, and that's it. Download it to your computer and upload it to YouTube for the free views. Right, dickheads, end of the video. If you liked the video, make sure to like the video then. And subscribe if you want. Anyway, that's me done. Fuck you.